have a seat. I have something I have to tell you. Pretty excited about it. Been trying to figure out. I was gonna tell you now, tell you later. But since you guys have been amazing, and since you guys have supported Purposely Dope, figured I'd go ahead and let you guys know. For 3 years now, maybe since we started the channel, I have been dreaming of taking a special trip, and I get to do it. I finally get to do it. Unfortunately, as of right now, I have to do it alone. So, what is the big secret? What is the big trip? I'm going to Alaska. I'm so excited. I actually get to go to Alaska. Not only am I going to Alaska, but I'm going to Alaska on a cruise line that I've never sailed before. So, that is my big secret. That is my big news. I will give you more details very, very soon. But since you guys have been such an amazing support for us, I just wanted to let you know. Thank you for being a part of the Park Fam. And I'll give more details soon. But as of right now, I'm a little nervous because this is a venture that I have to do on my own. And I've been trying to figure out how soon I was going to announce this. But I think I'm gonna start making vlogs about it and start talking about my preparations for it. So I figured I'd go ahead and tell you guys now. But once again, super excited. And hopefully the vlogs and the preparation vlogs will help someone else in the future. So that's what I'm doing now. We will get back to you guys about the details a little later. But thank you for being so supportive, and we will see you guys soon. Mark this out.